Hi, this is Handy TF. I got this IKEA furniture leg. It is already stained, but I want a different color, so I have to sand the stain off first. In this video, I am going to sand it with the help of a power drill to make the sanding the round or cylindrical object much easier and faster. Drill a small pilot hole in the center. You want to drill as straight as possible. Put a screw into the pilot hole. The pilot hole will prevent the split and guide the screw straight into the wood. Attach the screw into the drill head and tighten it. It works as a sanding turntable or lathe. Hold a piece of sandpaper in one hand, and turn the drill. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. It works pretty well. It certainly saves lots of time and elbow grease. I hope that you like this little handy trick. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.